We left Stellenbosch for an hour's drive towards our campsite in Rawsonville. Arriving on a working farm, we drove through the vineyards, finding our campsite for the week tucked along a riverbed. You find Stillewaters campsite.
There are 6 private campsites, each with their own amenities, as well as many activities to do around the farm. We're going to share our experience and hope to inspire you to get outside and go camping. And welcome back to this week's video. We are Michael and Acacia traveling full-time in a self-converted van.
Subscribe for weekly content just like this.
We woke up to an orange sunrise, illuminating the mountains all around us, with incredible scenes no matter which way we look. We lit the wood-fired hot tub early that morning, enjoyed a relaxing swim as the sun started hitting the camp.
There are great hikes around the farm, including a 10-kilometer contour loop. We decided to start on that loop and soon went off trail, aiming to reach the top of the koppie alongside our campsite.
Leaving the trail meant scratching through the bushes and climbing up some big boulders. The view from the top was breathtaking, panoramic scenes of the farm down below and giant mountains around us.
We got back to camp to cool down in the mini pool. When this isn't being used as a hot tub, it makes for a great swimming hole with fresh spring water.
The farm is huge. You can walk or cycle through the vineyards for hours. We opted to scout the farm on our bicycles that afternoon.
We did the 10-kilometer loop, taking you right around the farm. It's definitely more of a hiking trail, but we managed on our bikes.
That evening we lit the fire with our friends from Awesome Road Trip and chatted about travel plans as we watched the full moon rise over the mountains. for joining us in this week's YouTube video. We had a great week spending here in the mountains.
This campsite's especially great if you're coming with bigger groups of people because you have all your own facilities and the mountains are right here. There's so much exploring to do.
Yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, please remember to like and subscribe, and see you guys next week on the road.